Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Hi Aries, fire sign. This is April weekly reading. This is general, may or may not resonate everyone. So take what resonate and leave the rest. Energy could be vice versa, guys. So let's see what are the messages for you and what's going on. One card is popped out. Sorry guys, this is Three of Pentacles. What are the messages for Aries? Fire sign. I think for some you have options, for some you are fantasizing about your person a lot. Seven of Cups energy and Six of Cups. Maybe you are waiting for reconciliation with your person. You are thinking about them a lot. Someone is coming back for reconciliation and they're thinking about you. Six of Cups energy, marriage, taking relationship to next level. So let's see your reading. Recent past, Three of Pentacles, Empress and Two of Pentacles. So you may be juggling in recent past. You have to make some decision but you are unable to make because you are juggling. You have some confusion to make decisions. Seven of Cups is here. I think you are focusing on your finances, especially because Three of Pentacles, and then you stand by your power. Now you are taking your control back totally because the Empress is here. This was recent past. Then present, Nine of Pentacles, Ace of Wands and Eight of Wands. So you are passionate about your work. And Nine of Pentacles energy, you are achieving your financial stability. In near future you will achieve financial stability. You are focusing on your career. You are working hard towards your goal and you are doing it very, very passionately. You have a lot of passion towards your work. And Eight of Wands energy, there is communication is coming towards you. Lots of communication, back and forth communication. Maybe for some, if you are in separation with your person, they will communicate with you. If you are not in separation, your relationship is on and off connection, then there will be communication is coming. Lots of communication because Eight of Wands energy. Then future, Three of Swords, Page of Pentacles and the Strength. So maybe for some you are in separation with your person, you are heartbroken. And Page of Pentacles, but someone is coming back with an apology. Maybe this person is immature. For some, children is also involved in this connection, but you are feeling heartbroken. And Strength, but you overcome this pain. You overcome this pain. You don't worry about this energy. You will overcome this pain. Then you will stand by your power. You are taking your control back. You are taking your power back. Now you are okay with or without that person because you gain your power back. You are taking your control back. That is very, very positive and very, very good energy because you have to focus on yourself. You have to depend only on yourself. Then anything is just... anything is not going to affect you more when you're focusing on yourself. And the person involved in this connection could be Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius or Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus. So let's see your person feelings and actions towards you. Then we will get more clarity what's going between you and your person. Under the deck, Page of Swords. Maybe they're spying on you on social media. They're watching you, Aries. So let's see their feelings. Aries, their feelings towards you. I think they're stuck right now. Maybe they're taking their time. For some, there is waiting game between you and your person because Seven of Pentacles, again they are in waiting mode. And the Sun, maybe they're realizing your worth, but they're unable to make any move towards you right now because 8 of Swords energy. Right now they are stuck, Aries. And again, this could be long distance relationship. You both live in different cities, countries or states. So let's see their actions towards you. Right now they're feeling that they are stuck. Actions, Magician, 4 of Pentacles and King of Swords. And Tower under the deck. Right now your person undergoing some tower moment. And the Magician with 4 of Pentacles. Maybe they are manifesting you because right now they are not going to make any move because they're feeling stuck. That's why they're manifesting you energy wise. And 4 of Pentacles, but they want to express their true feelings to you. And King of Swords. But right now they're not willing to communicate with you because they're feeling stuck, but they're thinking about you. They want to manifest you, and they're undergoing tower moment without you. So let's pull some cards from universe where this connection is headed on and the outcome. I think delay. I'm seeing delay in the actions. No moment, to be frank. They're thinking, they're wishing. Yeah, they have love for you, they want to marry you, they want to take this relationship next level, but right now they're feeling stuck. And if you are in separation with your person, they want second chance with you. And the person involved in this connection could be Libra, Justice. So they want to marry you, they want to take this relationship to next level, but they're feeling stuck. But you are focusing on yourself. Yes, 4 of Pentacles, you are holding back and you are moving. For some, you decided to move on from this person because there are a lot of disturbances, lot of issues between you and your person. For some, you are holding back, you decided to move on because there is no action from your person and they're wishing but not taking any action. That's why you want to move on from this person, Aries. Yes, because always it is becoming like a false hope, fantasizing but not coming true, dreaming but not coming true. That's why maybe for some you both are dreaming about each other, you both are fantasizing about each other, but always it is a dream, it is not coming true. And I think you both are guarded up right now, you both are not available to each other. For some, you both are in separation also. So let's see your overall energy for the week, Aries. Yeah, you are listening to your intuition, trusting your intuition. You want this happiness from your person, but they are keep putting you in waiting mode. It is not happening. And you are thinking about them a lot. Maybe for some, one person in this connection having options. And this could be long distance relationship. You both live in different cities, countries or states. Let's see your person overall energy for the week. Eight of Cups, maybe they walked away. Now they have regrets. They're obsessed with you. Maybe this person is toxic for you. They are in and out of your life. But they're going to make some decision regarding this relationship. Maybe now they're willing to work on this relationship. But again, they're willing, they're wishing. But they're feeling stuck. Maybe after some time, they will call you. But it will take so much time, to be honest. Yeah, they because 4 of Wands with King of Cups, they have love for you. They really want to offer this commitment to you, but they're feeling stuck. But they're manifesting. They're trying to manifest you. They're trying to. Maybe they're waiting for. Maybe they're waiting for you to reach out them. Don't let your past hold you back. Messages from Moon Oracle deck, and conclusions are within reach. Full moon eclipse. So if you are searching for answers, then conclusions are within reach, and don't let your past hold you back. Yeah, for some you decided to move on, just do it because this is the message for you. Don't let your past hold you back. So this is the reading for you guys. Hope it resonates to you. Please do share, like and subscribe my channel and click the bell icon. Then you will get all my video notifications. Thank you so much for watching and supporting me. Bye.